Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A32 5G and I'm gonna show you how to use the Camera Pro mode at this device. So at first we have to tap on a camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we have access to other modes of this camera, and one of this is the Pro mode, so let's pick it. Here we are. This mode gives us possibilities to choose some shooting parameters by ourselves. This is useful when we want to learn photographic skills or making experiments with photography. So let me start with this settings bar. Let's go from the right. The first one button here is the exposure compensation. So now we can manage the light of our picture by using this slider and going to the right on it. We can make our photo more bright. By going to the left, we can make it more dark. At the center we have 0 parameter, so there's no problem to go back to the auto exposure compensation. Now let's move to the center, to this button. Here we have the white balance, so here we can control the temperature of our picture in Kelvin degrees. By using this slider and going to the left, we can make our photo more cold, as you can see, more blue. By going to the right, we can make it more warm, more orange. So this is kind of balance between the blue and the orange light. And here we can go back easily to the auto white balance by tapping on this button with manual from the right, and now we are again on the auto. And let's move to the last one button from the left. Here we have ISO, so we can adjust the camera's sensitivity to light. We can make it less sensitive from 100, and by going to the right we can make it more sensitive to 800. So I think this spectrum is enough to this kind of camera. And of course, to go back to auto ISO we have to tap on this manual button, and now we are again on the auto. And now let's move to the right corner to this button. When we pick it, we can pick also the meta ring. Now we are on the center weighted meta ring. Here we can also change it to the matrix and to the spot one. So let's stay on this one. And now let me use the settings to take a picture. So let me pick ISO maybe here, the white balance maybe more warm, and a little bit brighter. Now let's tap on the center and let's move to this button from the left to the gallery to see the picture. And this is how it looks like. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.